Hi everyone. This is Avik. We are going to understand few of the functions, few of the few of the functionalities that we have in the Python, where we need to understand that how we can use it in our daily routine or our daily task whenever we need, and it's basically help us to do a job very quickly rather than it's take a lot of time if we do it the same thing in a different way. So this is the thing where we need to learn or we need to understand very few things, very few things. It's not like that we need to do it in a very extensive way. But the thing is, if you have this thing with us ready, means you guys know that, then it will help you. Then it will help you to do few of the tasks in a good manner or in a right way. Okay, so let's in today's session again. I am welcome to every one of my this viewers who are basically viewing this session, and let's start and sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, so here you can see that I have written few of the things. So let's start with the first thing. Okay, so what is the replace? So replace is basically what it's doing. It's basically replacing the old values with the new one which we need. So the replace function have three parameters. One is old value, one is new value, and one is the count that is optional. So this is the old value is the string we are searching for, the new value, the string that we are going to replace, and count is nothing but a number specifying how many occurrence of the old value we want to replace. So if you are not giving any count value, then it is basically take the take the basic or standard, or I can say the default value in place of the count. Okay, so let's see what it is doing. Okay, okay, so here you can see that this is the sentence. It is the old value. Now we are going to check that. Okay, in the sentence there is 1 3. So the old value 1 will be replaced by 3. So here you can see that the 1 has been already replaced by 3. But now let's see what this new parameter is doing. The new parameter is basically, let's run the code. Okay, now you can see the new parameter is basically replacing the same value, like see here. Here this is 1 1 and 1. It's replace all those ones as 3. But here I say that okay, I need only 2 occurrence to be changed. So the first 2 occurrence has been changed to 3, but the last one has not been changed. So it is basically giving you the idea to control on the function of replace to use. So it is help you in daily life or daily work in different way, or in time when you need this thing. But it doesn't mean that you can't do this with some different functionalities, or creating your own for user defined function. But this already exists. From Miss Python function help you to do the task easier, because remember, our task is not to show, or not to explain the things in a complex way. But being a data scientist, we are here to explain the complex thing in a very simpler way. So that is the idea that we have. Okay, so let's check with this strip, what strip is doing. So strip is basically, as we know, that it is basically removing all those blank values. Okay, so let's see what is done, what is doing. Okay, banana, Let's do it. Run it. Okay. Now let's check. Okay, let's check what X is. Okay. So now see, there is no space in the banana, right? Now I need to write it down like this. So it is giving all the, it's removing all the blank values, and I need to write just the new statement. That's all. That's nothing more than that, right? Now let's see what it is doing. Let's again initialize it as like this. Now I am doing using the strip function. It is doing this. Now what it's doing, it's basically removing all the non banana data like dot, commas, or whatever is not related to banana from this whole sentence or whole word or with the combination of words or characters, and then give you the exact value that we need. So we mentioned that there is no t, so t will be removed. We mentioned no r, so r will be removed. Then G is removed, and dots, all dots are removed. Now commas, all commas has been removed. So like this way, there it will work. Okay. Now coming to the what title is doing. Let's see. Let's see. So let's initialize that. Welcome to my world. Now let's run this code. Text dot title. Okay, and now let's print it. So it's giving me the title of welcome to my world. And what it's doing basically, when for for any title there is the caps every on every word. Okay, so whenever there is a caps in the every word, if starting of every word, it is basically we column uh, uh, count as a title. So when we are saying that, hey, this is the sentence, or this is the word, or this is the terms, I need to use it as a title, and then tag something or append some in some document, or create some documents. In that case, do you think it's not possible further by any other way? It's possible. Even we, I just need to write it to w as a caps. Even I can create some user defined function which will just convert the case from lower to upper for every word, for every string, right? Now it is basically difficult and complex, although as we already have the function in the Python, then why not we should use this. So this is the thing basically help us to do the complex task in a simpler way. And in the Python library, we have lots of this type of interesting functions that help us to do to complete our daily task in a very quick, means very quicker way. So the idea is, we are not um, uh, we are not going or following those things which are basically complex. We have to follow, or we have to learn how we can do very complex thing in a most simpler way. Because remember, if you are not able to do the complex thing in a simpler way, then it will take more time, and time itself has a lot of cost. It's incurred a lot of cost. So whenever we are doing some model or creating some model and then deploying those models, if those models are taking lots of time, then there is very negative, although it is giving a highly accuracy like more than 95%, but it's not going to work for few things or for few use cases. Because more or less every people are looking for, every client or every organization is looking for less amount of time. Because if I will get a 100% accurate data after 1 month. It's not making any sense. If I get that data with a lesser, like more than 60 or 70% accuracy within 1 hour, it's fine to me. Okay. Okay, so that's all from my end for today. Let's get connect with you with few new this type of interesting functions and assignments in our next video. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.